Snap out of it. Just be yourself, bitch. Snap out of it. Just be yourself. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to apologize for being MIA for 2 months now and not posting anything. The reason for that is because I got super lazy and decided to take a break, which is no good excuse, but I'm working on it. I'm working on not letting my laziness take over me. So all I could ask is that you guys hang in there and be very patient with me. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Patricia Ibarra. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and also make sure to press that post notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. So I'm back with a Drugstore One Brand Makeup video. And a while back on my last video, I decided to go on Instagram and do a poll, and I gave you guys the option of NYX or Wet&Wild, and Wet&Wild was the winner, as you guys could see. So let's get right to the video. Okay, so I went to Walgreens and picked up my things because Walmart didn't have some of the things I wanted. So first thing is this Wet&Wild lip scrub in watermelon flavor. And this lip scrub was right here, $3.99. Smells amazing. Smells like watermelon. Okay, the next item is the Wet&Wild face primer, Dew Luminex, and this was $5.49. Directions: apply to clean face. Use alone or under foundation to achieve a luminous finish. 1. Lightweight formula. 2. Infused with vitamin E. And 3. Smooth skin for an even makeup application. So let's try it out. Looks like foundation. Okay, so I don't know how I feel about the face primer. Like I said, it has like shimmer in it. I don't know about that. Next item is the Wet&Wild Photo Focus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. And I picked this item a while back at Walmart. So let's see how much it was. On the website it says $5.49. I'm not sure if that's what it was at Walmart, but this is what I'm gonna use. And I always do this after I prime my face. And I just let it sit there. And I like this. It doesn't really smell like cucumbers, but it's alright. Next item I picked up was the retractable brow pencil in the shade medium brown, and I'm guessing this was like the darkest one out of the 3 options there was, and this was $3.99. So I just used the brow pencil to draw the bottom of my eyebrows for now. It's pretty good. I mean, I feel like the shade is like a little too light for my brows right now. So there's actually 4 options. I don't know. I want to say there was only 3 options, but I don't know. So there's taupe, ash brown, medium brown, and dark brown. And what did I say? Yeah, I got the medium brown. I feel like I should have picked up the dark brown, but there was no dark brown. So and on the website, it's $4.29. And how much $3.99. Yeah. So on the website it's $4.29, and in the drugstore or at Walgreens it was $3.99. I don't know how many concealer options there was, but this is the one I see in the drugstore all the time. So this is the one I'm using, and this one is in light medium beige. So this concealer is $3.99 on the website. I'm not sure how much it was in stores. I like the concealer. It's not bad. I don't really have much to say about it. So I picked up this eyeshadow palette. I'm guessing this is the name. Stop Playing Safe. And there's like some neutrals and some bright, bold colors in there with shimmers. And this palette was $4.99. Let's do a swatch. That was like, what, 2 swatches? Let's see this one. That one's good. Let's pick up this like yellow one. Oh shit. I'm gonna try this blue one. That blue one's good. It's alright. That green one was kind of disappointing on the swatches. These two kind of were disappointing. And then these 3 are great. There's no names, but I'm picking up this like beige looking shade. Okay, I'm picking up this yellow shimmer shade to highlight my brow bone. Okay, I'm going to pick up this blue and apply it in the crease. Okay, now I'll be cutting my crease. Okay, after cutting the crease, I will be picking up the green shade in this palette and tapping it on top of the concealer. And I'll be using this light blue frosty color. So I'm back, you guys. I really like this palette. It wasn't hard to work with. Overall, it was a good formula, good shades. So for $4.99, not bad. I also picked up this skinny tip eyeliner in black. This was $4.99. So let's see how this works. The tip looks really nice and cute. Okay, so this skinny tip eyeliner, love. I think it's probably one of my new fave liquid eyeliners. So for $4.99, for sure, get that one. Okay, this item is the item that I couldn't find at Walmart. I went to Target they didn't have it. They had a bunch of other stuff, but this is a foundation I originally wanted so I could do this review. So Walgreens had it, and the price for this foundation was $5.99. So this is the Wet n Wild Stick Foundation. I got the classic beige shade. So this is the shade, you guys, right? And tell me why it looks hella pale looking on the viewfinder. So my forehead is darker than the rest of my face, which is understandable why it looks horrible up here, but the rest, like on the viewfinder, it looks horrible, but in person it doesn't. So I don't know. I don't want you guys to get the wrong impression about this. So the foundation I really like. Like I said, the shade looks fine in person, but when I look at the viewfinder, it looks horrible, like a horrible shade, but I don't know. Okay, so I also have the Wet n Wild bronzer. This one is in the shade Sunset Striptease, and this I bought a while back, and the price for this was at Walgreens. It is priced at $4.99. Let's bronze the face. The bronzer is great. I really like it. I like this shade. So I really didn't look for setting powder. I don't know if they have any. They probably do. Let me check. Yeah, they do. But I didn't grab any, so I'm using my Airspun one. Okay, so now I will be applying some mascara, and I have the Mega Length Mascara by Wet n Wild in Very Black. And I've had this for a while too. I just love the brush itself, the applicator. It's small and the little bristles are small as well to work with. Okay, so now for blush, I picked up the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Pearlescent Pink. And this was $2. Comes with a little blush applicator, which I probably wouldn't use, but let me try it out. Yeah, no. Okay, so the blush I like the shade. It's not bad. I like it. The next item I picked up was this Wet n Wild highlighting powder, which was $4.99, and it is in the shade Precious Petals. I will be spraying my face. This highlight is amazing. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, brow pencil. Time to finish the brows. I mean, I like the pencil itself. I didn't really like the shade. Overall, it's a good eyebrow pencil. Just make sure to get the shade for you. So I picked up this eyeliner pencil in the shade You're the Yin. This was $3.99. Really creamy. Like it. Let's try it out. Yes. Oh my god. I love it. Love it. For sure pick this up. This eyeliner pencil is amazing. The formula is great. Now for the lips. This gel lip liner was $2. This one is Bear to Comment. The formula is amazing, you guys. Very creamy. And I also picked up this Wet n Wild lip gloss. And this one is in the shade Clear Quartz. And this was $4.99. Okay, and I want to apply lashes, but they didn't have any at Walgreens. So I'm just going to apply some lashes I have. And I'll be back. So I threw on these lashes. They're not Wet n Wild, so I'm not going to comment on them. So overall, I liked everything. The only thing that, I mean, it really didn't matter at the end, but the only thing I didn't like when I applied it was the face primer because of how it was shimmery. So this is the final look. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, press that post notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And also make sure to leave me some comments letting me know what other makeup brand I should review or what other kind of videos you'd like to see on my channel. Thanks for watching and thanks for the support. Stay tuned for my next video. Thanks, you guys. Bye.